All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a random string with letters and digits in Python. So the string library has the characters you need. It's a pain to type all these in. We're going to do uppercase, and we're importing string, and from string we're getting ASCII underscore uppercase. They have a lowercase, they have an all, they got it all in there. Take a look if you need something specific like that. And then I'm adding string.digits to get my numbers in there. And so when I print that, I get an array or a list, a string of all the characters that I'm interested in. Now, random library gives you the ability to pick. So I'm going to import random, and I'm going to do random choices, which will pull multiple choices with replacement. So you can have the same letter more than once. And I'm going to use a size of 10 here, and it's k equal whatever that size is. And sure enough, it prints out a 10-digit long list of capital letters and numbers. Now, what if you need it to be cryptographically secure? You don't want someone snooping, do you? Well, random has you covered there. You call .SystemRandom, capital S, capital R, and then .choice. Now you don't have choices, so I'm going to loop over I'm going to create a list comprehension that goes up to the range of the size. I do underscore because I don't need the variable. I'm just using it to get the number of times through the loop, and I get a choice of all digits each time. And here is my cryptographically secure choice of 10 random digits put together. So that's it. Hope you learned something. Smash that like button so I can help more people. Subscribe to the channel if you hadn't, and I'll see you in the next video.